Hi, welcome back to our channel. If you are having kidney disease, you must watch this video carefully because I have some natural solutions for your kidney health. Maintaining kidney health is crucial for overall well-being, and incorporating herbal teas into your routine can be a natural and soothing way to support kidney function. We will talk about 6 herbal teas known for your potential benefits in promoting kidney health and repair. Before we talk about these herbal drinks, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Number 1. Ginger Tea. Ginger contains bioactive compounds, such as gingerol, which have anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is associated with various kidney diseases, and reducing inflammation may help protect the kidneys. High blood pressure is a risk factor for kidney disease. Some studies suggest that ginger may help lower blood pressure, contributing to the overall cardiovascular health that is essential for kidney function. Ginger has mild diuretic properties, meaning it may help increase urine production. This can aid in the elimination of waste products and excess fluids from the body, potentially reducing the workload on the kidneys. It's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or incorporating herbal remedies, especially if you have existing kidney issues or are on medication. Moderation is key. Excessive consumption of ginger or any herbal remedy should be avoided, as it may lead to adverse effects. While ginger tea may have potential benefits for kidney health, it's crucial to approach it as a complementary measure to an overall healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate hydration. Number 2. Green Tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, particularly catechins such as epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, which can contribute to kidney damage. By neutralizing free radicals, green tea may support overall kidney health. Green tea may have a positive impact on insulin sensitivity, which is relevant to kidney health. Improved insulin sensitivity can contribute to better blood sugar control, potentially benefiting the kidneys. Consume 2 to 3 cups of green tea per day to benefit from its potential health effects. Choose high-quality, organic green tea to ensure the purity of the tea leaves. Number 3. Turmeric Tea. Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice, contains a bioactive compound called curcumin, which has been studied for its potential health benefits, including its impact on kidney health. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, is well known for its strong anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to various kidney diseases, and by reducing inflammation, turmeric may contribute to the overall well-being of the kidneys. Benefits. Turmeric contains curcumin, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It may aid in protecting the kidneys from damage. How to prepare. Combine ground turmeric with hot water and add a dash of black pepper to enhance absorption. Consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating turmeric tea, especially if you have existing kidney issues, are on medication, or are pregnant. Turmeric is generally safe in moderate amounts, but excessive intake may lead to gastrointestinal issues for some individuals. Number 4. Dandelion Tea. Benefits. Dandelion tea is renowned for its diuretic properties, helping to flush out toxins and excess water from the kidneys. It may also aid in reducing inflammation. How to prepare. Steep dried dandelion root in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Dandelion tea is often considered beneficial for kidney health, and it is primarily known for its potential diuretic effects and ability to support the kidneys in various ways. Number 5. Hibiscus Tea. Hibiscus tea is an herbal tea made from the dried petals of the hibiscus plant, Hibiscus sabdarifa. It is known for its vibrant red color, tangy flavor, and potential health benefits. Here are some key aspects of hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea has a distinct tart flavor, often described as similar to cranberry. It can be consumed hot or cold and is frequently enjoyed as a refreshing beverage. Hibiscus tea is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, including anthocyanins and quercetin. These antioxidants contribute to the potential health benefits of the tea. How to prepare hibiscus tea. Boil water and pour it over dried hibiscus petals. Steep for about 5 to 7 minutes. Strain the tea and, if desired, add sweeteners such as honey or a slice of citrus for flavor. Hibiscus tea can be a flavorful and potentially beneficial addition to a balanced diet. However, individual responses may vary, and it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice, especially if you have specific health concerns or are taking medications. Number 6. Nettle Tea. Nettle tea is generally considered safe for most people when consumed in moderation. In fact, nettle tea is often regarded as having potential health benefits, and it is commonly used for various purposes, including as a diuretic and to support overall health. Benefits: nettle tea is rich in antioxidants and may possess anti-inflammatory properties. It has been traditionally used to support the kidneys and alleviate water retention. How to prepare: steep dried nettle leaves in hot water for about 5 to 7 minutes. Moderation is key. Excessive consumption of any herbal tea, including nettle tea, should be avoided. Consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing kidney issues, are on medication, or are pregnant. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Goodbye.